Hello and welcome back to my classes inspired with Anushka. Students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Nowadays, lockdown is going on and we all are very affected with the epidemic Corona 19, COVID 19. Okay, so we continue our studies with these circumstances, but I know it's somewhat typical, but we need the cooperation. Okay. So let's start the topic for today. The topic for today is plastids. Plastids are larger cytoplasmic organelles found only in the plant cell and photosynthetic microorganisms. These are really visible under a light microscope. We all know about the chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll also comes in the plastids. These are capable for doing the process of photosynthesis. That's why the breakdown of carbon occurs and oxygen is released from the plant. Plastids are lacking फ्रॉम द एनिमल सेल. प्लास्टिड्स एनिमल सेल्स में फाउंड नहीं किए जाते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पिगमेंट्स, colored pigment, these are classified into three types, that is called leucoplast, the first one, in which the colorless plastid, these are the colorless plastids. The second one is chloroplast. These are, we all know that, green colored plastids, because we already have studied the process of photosynthesis in our junior classes, in which the chlorophyll is essential for doing the process for the manufacturing of food by the plants. And the third pigment is chromoplast. Chromo, it means that is of different color. So colored plastid other than green color, it may be yellow, just like the color of flowers, the color of fruits. Okay, so the leucoplast are meant for the storage of starch, grains and wild drops. The chromoplast contains non-green pigment and are responsible for the characteristics color for the flower and fruits. And let's watch the topic chloroplast, which is the main topic of the plastids which we have to study. So it is also known as the kitchen of the cell. Once again, a new question arises in our mind, that why the chlorophyll or the plastids are called the kitchen of the cells. So let's have a look over the answer related to this question, that the chloroplast are the most important plastids which contains the green pigment chlorophyll. These are thus chlorophyll containing plastic. Chlorophyll traps the solar energy which is used for the manufacturing of food during the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll thus are the site of the photosynthesis and are therefore called the kitchen of the cell. So now I am sure that you have all understand why the chloroplast has called the kitchen of the cell. Chloroplasts are the large spherical, oval or disc-shaped organelles. Each chloroplast is surrounded by a double-walled semi-permeable membrane. The inside of the chloroplast is clearly marked into a colorless ground matrix and called the stroma, and a membrane system called the grana. Like the mitochondria, chloroplast also contains their own DNA and ribosomes. So let's have a look over now what function that the chloroplast or the plastids perform. So they store the manufactured food, photosynthesize. The important function of the photosynthesis is the important function of the plastids or the chloroplast. By trapping solar energy, green plastids manufacturing food through this process. Chromoplast provide color to the various flowering plants or the parts of the plants. Leucoplast helps in the storage of protein, starch and lipids. So students, this is all about the plastids. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks so much for giving so much love and concern to our channel. Thank you once again.